Okay, so a point moves on the x-axis in such a way that its velocity at any time t greater than 0 is given by that. At what value of t does v attain its maximum? Okay, so, oh yeah, shoot, okay. So when does v attain its maximum? And guys, if you look at Susan's table, okay, Susan's table, you'll have like there's F prime, F double prime. So F is already like velocity, all right? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 6. It goes like, increasing, decreasing, extrema, and then it repeats, right? Yeah, increasing, decreasing, extrema. So you're looking for an extrema on the first derivative. An extrema on the first derivative is going to correspond to a sign change on the second derivative, okay? So you need to know Susan's tables. And all right, so I'm looking for a sign change on the second derivative. So this is velocity. This is already the first derivative, so I need to take the derivative again. All right, so v prime equals, I'm going to need quotient rule. All right, so v is natural log of t over t. I'm going to use quotient rule. So the derivative of the top is 1 over t times the bottom is t minus, bring down the top, derivative of the bottom is 1 all over t squared. So v prime is 1 minus natural log of t all over t squared. Now, we're looking for critical numbers. The critical numbers are where this derivative is 0 or undefined. So guys, so undefined, it's undefined when t equals 0, right? Because that would make the denominator 0. But guys, they already told us that t was strictly greater than 0, so we're not even really going to consider this as a critical number at all. Okay, the other critical number is going to be where this entire thing equals 0. Guys, a fraction equals 0 if the top equals 0. So 1 minus natural log of t equals 0. 1 equals natural log of t. So t is equal to e, right? T is equal to e. If that's not clear to you, think about it or ask me. Yeah, if that should be clear. If it's not, please get help on that. Yeah, so guys, you could just choose E, but there is a choice where it says there is no maximum value. So you're going to have to make sure that you've got a positive to negative sign change. So I know that, so I'm going to use a V prime number line. All right, I'm looking for a sign change from positive to negative. So, yeah, so let's see. All right, so what could I choose? All right, now you're plugging back into V prime, which is 1 minus natural log of t all over t squared, all right? Now, you want to choose some numbers. This is not a calculator section, so you want to choose some numbers that are easy to plug into a natural log. Okay, well, guys, the natural log of 1, so you could choose like 1, because the natural log of 1 is just 0. And then to the right of e, you could choose like e squared. Yeah. So if you plug 1 in up here, you're going to get 1 minus 0. Okay, because 0, you're going to get 1 minus 0 over 1. So that would be positive into the derivative. And then if you plugged in e squared, guys, the natural log of e squared, that's 2 natural log of e. So that's just 2. All right. So if you plugged in e squared, it would be 1 minus 2, which is negative over a positive. So that would be negative. And guys, you know what I'm thinking? Even if you plugged in like a big number, like 100 or something, anything past e, at e, natural log is 1. And a natural log is an increasing function. So really anything bigger than e is going to give you a number here bigger than 1. So that would be negative. So you don't have to use this is maybe a little bit sophisticated, choosing a power of e. But yeah, whatever works for you, I guess. Okay. Long story long. So this is, so it does attain a max there. We get a positive to negative sign change. So, yeah, so C.